The piston assembly creates the pressure to pump the grease into your grease gun's hose. The steel piston has a magnet attached to the top, which is sensed by the tool's electronics. Over time, the piston can wear, eventually causing low pressure and the grease to leak from the housing. If the magnet is broken or lost, you won't be able to control the speed that the tool operates. Replacing the piston assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the barrel assembly. Now remove 1/2 of the housing. Now remove the screw that secures the pump, gearbox, and motor assembly to the lower housing. Now I have access to the piston. I'll remove the piston keeper. Now I'll push the piston all the way down and rotate the eccentric around until I can remove it. And now I can pull the piston free from the pump. Now I'll install the new piston. Line it with the piston seal in the pump, and again push it all the way down. I'll install the eccentric. I'll line it with the piston, and then push the piston all the way back up. Now I'll secure the piston with the keeper. As I reinstall it back into the housing, I'll make sure that I align the gear selector with the transmission shift lever. Now resecure the pump body to the lower housing. Now I'll reinstall the housing. And now I'll reinstall the barrel assembly. And now you can replace the piston in your grease gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up